Hello, everybody. I am Henry Ibarra. I am 36 years old. I am a student of agronomy. I live with my wife in Caldas, Antioquia, and I have a son. His name is Matias. Matias is 6 years old and lives in Caicedo, Antioquia with his mother. I work with farmers in southwest of Antioquia with coffee producers, and I love what I do. In my last vacation, I went to Santa Marta with my family in our cars since Medellin. I stayed there for 3 days. I liked it because the hotel was cheap and comfortable and had a good food. I paid 1 million for this trip. I went to Rodadero Beach and Playa Blanca. In this place there were many people, there was many people and beautiful sea. My mother had never went to sea and it was wonderful for her and for me. Santa Marta's weather in this city all time is sunny weather. The windy only is in the end of the day, and very early in the morning the weather is cool, but during the day it is warm so much. It is recommended that the people wear shorts, shirts, flip-flops, glasses, and a hat. All persons should use sunscreen during the day. Thank you.